In our previous class we discussed line design. Line is a mark made using a drawing tool or brush. Line is a primary design element that is by nature two-dimensional but can suggest three-dimensional forms. Types of lines: zigzag lines, curved lines, straight lines, broken lines, diagonal lines, radial lines. Uses of lines. Lines can be used to form different shapes and sizes. Lines can be used to communicate stability and solidities. In today's class we will be discussing objects, modeling. Modeling is the process of making an object with clay or plastering. Modeling is when a teacher demonstrates how to complete a piece of work, action or approach to learning whilst pupils observe. Methods of modeling. There are different methods of modeling with clay. Some of these include the pinching method, the coiling method, the slab method. The pinching method. This method involves using small pieces of well-prepared clay to gradually build an art object or a functional artwork. Steps to modeling using the pinching method include: Step 1. Knead the clay to make it smooth. Step 2. Roll the clay into balls. Step 3. Make clay balls, small and big. Step 4. Create a hole inside the clay ball. Use your right thumb to press down the center. Step 5. Guide the sides of the pinched clay while finishing your pot or any other thing you are modeling. Step 6. Flatten the bottom of the clay with your finger. Press the clay carefully against the kneading plank to create a flat bottom. Step 7. Expose the clay work to the sun to dry and paint with the color you like. The pinching method is to create pottery that can be ornamental or functional, and has been widely employed across culture. The method used is to simply have a lob of clay, then pinch it to the shape desired. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.